For this next topic, we are going to be working on Z, polynomials, topic number 5. So Z5, add polynomials to find perimeter. Okay. So what you're going to be doing here, now all you're doing is adding. So you're going to be adding everything that they give you there. You have to rewrite them in order to be able to add them correctly. So this is what I have. I have a T. So I'm looking at all the sides, I'm adding them all up. I have T plus, and then the opposite side of that, T, and then plus, and then the top and the bottom, which is T minus 2 for the top, plus T minus 2 for the bottom. So here I have all of this together. How many T's do I have in total? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 T's. Remember that if they don't have a number in front of them, they have a 1. So pretty much this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So that means I have 4 T. And then the other part that I have is my minus 2 and minus 2. So negative 2 minus 2, that gives me minus 4. And that will be my answer for the perimeter of this shape. So I have 4 T minus 4. That's all you're doing for this type of example. Submit and go on to the next one. So here, still they just want perimeter, so you're going to add all around. Okay, so we have B plus 10 plus B plus 10 plus B plus 10. Remember that if they don't have a number, they have a 1 in front of them. So I have 1B, 1B, and 1B. When I add all of that together, that will give me 3B. And then I'm going to add the numbers. So positive 10 plus 10 plus 10. So that's going to give me 30. So plus 30. And that will be my final answer. So 3B plus 30. Okay. Submit that. Okay, so here, same thing, you're adding all around, find the perimeter. So I'm going to go ahead and write the 1 from the beginning. So 1y plus 5 for this side right here. And then plus 1y plus 1y plus 2. So I've added all of these together now. So I have 1y plus 1y plus 1y. The total for that will be 3y. And then I have the 5 and the 2. So a positive 5 and a positive 2, add them. That gives you positive 7. So 3y plus 7. Okay. So go ahead and submit that, and let's go on to the next one. So you're going to keep doing the same thing. It's basically the same thing. So here you would have V plus V. So 4 V's. So in total there's 4 V's. Plus, now since they're all positive, you have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's plus 4. So all I'm doing is I'm adding all around the shape. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and jump a level so that you can see the next type of question. So if I jump a level, this is the next type of question, but it's still the same thing. It is very simple to answer. So I'm going to add all 3 sides together. I have 8x. I have 8x plus 3 plus 8x plus 3 plus 2x plus 2. So I'm just adding everything. 8x, 8x, 2x. So I'm going to add all of those. 8 plus 8 is 16, and 16 plus 2, that's 18x. And then I have positive 3, a positive 3, and a positive 2. So 3 plus 3, that's 6. And 6 plus 2, that is 8. 18x plus 8. Okay, and all of this topic is going to be perimeter, so you just keep doing the same thing. Here you would do the same thing we just did. So in total there's 4, 8, 9, 10 S's, so 10 S. And there's two negative 5, so negative 5 minus 5, that is going to give you a negative 10. So that's all you're doing in these examples. Let me jump up a level. If at any point you need to stop and look at what I did on one of these, just pause the video, take a moment to look at it and see how I got the answer. Right, so I just jumped a level. This is the highest level that you'll get, so the questions will not be any more difficult than this. I cannot go any further. Alright, so here what you are going to do is same thing. So I have 2z plus 2. That's one of my sides. And then plus 2z. And then plus 5. So I'm going to have 2z and 2z. Add them. That is 4z. And then I have 2 plus 5. Both positive, so that's plus 7. So 4z plus 7. And that's all you're going to do for this topic. If at any point you need to pause the video, look at what I answered or how I answered it, what I added, make sure you pause the video, pay close attention to the numbers and the letters, the addition and subtraction, and you should be doing really good on this topic. Okay, so it's all going to be the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and go back to these examples. If you need to, you can pause the video to look at them. Okay. So if you need those, you can pause the video. I'm going to go ahead and move this up. If you need any of those, then you can pause the video there. Thank you guys.